Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another amazing store, and this one I've shared in the previous videos as well, and I will let you know more. But today we're going to see what's new at Publix. So Publix is a local pharmacy and grocery store we have. This is where I shop every other day, or for my personal groceries and whatever household needs we need. So this particular Publix is located at Lakeside Village on 535 in Windermere, Florida. So let's see what they have. As soon as you enter, you can see they have a whole section for the cereals, and then afterwards on the right, as soon as you enter, they have beautiful flowers. So they have very nice flower bouquets and arrangements. They have roses and they have other flowers with them as well, which I truly admire, and this is where we get our flowers from if we need it for someone or for ourselves. And they also have little plants. You can see how beautiful they are, and they also have some just roses arrangements which are $15.99. They're inside that fridge, so you can just pick it up and go. And they have some balloons. Currently they're out of helium, so you can get helium balloons from here. You can pick the one you want from the back and they can fill the air for you. And then right here in the freezer they have some frozen cakes, and they have a freezer and fridge as well, so they have some cakes. They also have a cheesecake wheel if you would like. That is beautiful and it's also delicious. So this is their bakery section. So every day they bake fresh, and they have cookies, they have croissants, they have turnovers, they have cakes, beautiful cakes. This is where we get for our birthdays cakes from. So they have chantilly cake, they have a buttercream cake, they have chocolate cake, you name it, they have everything. They make their own donuts, they make everything of their own every day fresh in their store. You can also place an order for a birthday cake or a bread if you need. They also make fresh pizza doughs every day. You can grab from that fridge, and your sauce and your cheese and everything is right there and available. They also started making brioche recently, so if you like brioche bread and buns, they also have those. So you can see they have so many kinds of bread. They have hamburger buns, they have Italian bread, Chicago Italian bread, so many different kinds of bread. And right next to it they have Deli, and they have so many different kinds of cheeses. They also make in-house subs. Public subs are really popular and they're delicious. So if you eat meat, you can, and if you don't, if you prefer halal, you can always go for fish, which is my personal favorite, and of course veggie delight is always there. So this is their deli section. So deli section is where they have food, right? It's right there. They have cheeses, they have meat, and they also make subs over there. Like I said, like Subway, they make their own subs, and over there they have salad bars. And now we're going towards the produce section. So they have very nice and fresh produce. They have fruits, vegetables, everything available under one roof. So you can see pineapples, so many different kind of apples, specialty of America, so many kinds of apples. They have oranges. We have oranges throughout the year because Florida is for oranges. So here we have watermelons. It's summer. Watermelons are delicious right now. This is their salad section. They have veggies over here. This whole wall up to the corner is veggies, and in the middle they have fruits. So they have honeydew, they have watermelon, they have oranges, lemons, limes, bananas, pears, strawberries, blueberries, peaches, nectarines, everything. This is their veggie section. So they have cucumbers, eggplants, okra, so many, and cauliflower. So you can see the peaches, they're good right now. Potatoes are on sale right now. Publix gold potatoes are on sale. And over there they have fruit, they have juices. So they have juices over here at the produce section, and right across from here they have their strawberries, blueberries, cherries, and grapes. So as soon as you leave the produce section, next you're gonna be looking at the seafood section. There was someone there, so I didn't get a good look of it, but at the seafood section you can get fresh fish from here. They have never frozen, they have fresh fish that we get usually, and they also started doing the sushi. So their sushis are delicious actually. So if you're into sushis, you can always grab from here. And they have their meat section. They have every kind of meat here. that you can grab if you are willing to. And of course they have so many different aisles. Of course I cannot go aisle to aisle, but I can tell you they have so many different things and nice things. Like I said in the beginning, this is where I shop for my daily groceries, and this is the best store out of all. And as a quality wise, it's a little pricey than Walmart, but it's worth it because it's in every corner and in every few miles in our Orlando. So this store is not all over the world or all over America. It's only located currently in Florida and Georgia state. So here we are, we just passed the cold section, and over here they have meat section. Now we're gonna be heading towards dairy section. Dairy section is the most popular section of the store. It's always busy and it's so difficult to pass through because and I was there over the weekend, so for me it was really hard. So here you can see they have coffee creamers over here, they have heavy creams, and right next to it they have milk. So they have so many kinds of milk. They have chocolate milk, strawberry milk, whole milk, 2%, 1% almond milk. So it's all over here in this fridge. And these are the egg section they have, and they have yogurts here. They have Greek yogurts and every kind, and right across from the yogurt they have breads. They have cottage cheeses, they have margarines, they have a cooking butter, they have biscuits, they have cheeses. So everything is in this dairy aisle. Like you can see, it's really busy. Like I said, it was difficult to pass through and catch everything, but this is the most busy aisle of the store, and it's the last one. So usually when you're leaving the store, this is where you pass through, because who doesn't need dairy whenever they're shopping? So right there, as soon as you leave the dairy section, this is our pharmacy. So they have pharmacy as well. If you have prescriptions, you can always fill it at your nearest Publix. And these are the checkout lanes. You can see recently, since the COVID happened, they started doing self-checkouts, which is my personal favorite. So it was like I said, it was a weekend, it was quite busy, but you can see they have checkouts. They have 10 and under items aisle as well, checkout lane, and then the self-checkout, which is very new, very recent, and very convenient. So you can see how busy it is. People are standing in line waiting to do self-checkout because it's quicker and convenient. So it's a beautiful store overall, and it's very nice, very well organized, very clean. Their customer services are great. Like if you buy something and it's not good or it's not up to your standards, and if it turns out bad, like even the produce, you can just bring it to them and they'll either give you a refund or they'll tell you to go pick a new one. Is so good. Their customer service is great. And right now it's back to school going on, so they have some sales going on over the stationery. So you can see all the stationeries are here at the front. And I'm gonna be going back to the bakery and show you some things that I couldn't because how busy it was or someone was standing there. So they have a middle tables in the middle where they put buy one get one free items. So you can see this is their tables where they have buy one get one free items. So sometimes you can find nice things over here. Like right now, almonds are buy one get one free, pistachios are buy one get one free. You don't get those. So this is like the best thing ever. Sometimes you can find a nice household items for BOGO, which is convenient and which is great. I always end up getting something from here because something is always what I want or what I need. So here we are back at the cake section. So you can see they have these beautiful cakes. They have pound cakes over here, and that fridge in the back, they have tiramisu, they have cheesecakes, they have key lime pies over here. They also make very nice apple pies during Thanksgiving, and even regularly you can get an apple pie. And I will show you some more plants, and this is again, we're at the entrance, so you can see they have some more plants as you leave. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. It's a great store. If you have a Publix, I'm sure you're shopping there, and keep shopping at Publix. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to check out my other Publix video over here. Allah Hafiz.